Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a sweet and healthy topic to discuss. Here, we describe a homemade pomegranate salad dressing that's going to elevate your salads to a whole new level of deliciousness. Wait, before starting the recipe pomegranate salad dressing, I introduce you with MetaFast, which will help you to manage blood sugar level naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of fresh pomegranate juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste. Instruction: gather your all ingredients. Mix the pomegranate juice and olive oil. Stir in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This will give your dressing a delightful tangy kick. Season your dressing with a pinch of salt and pepper, adjusting to your personal taste preferences. If you have extra dressing, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It should stay fresh for a few days. So, whether you have type 1 or type 2 diabetes, or you're simply looking for healthier fruits options, this salad are a game changer. Stick around as we dive deeper into each fruit's unique flavors and benefits. Wait. Want to control blood sugar level? Watch the secret video link in the video description. The link will delete it in few days and never up in this video. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.